How would you like to learn about lasers, robotics, and maybe operate a flight simulator while earning a computer or vocational credit in high school? The Technical Computer Applications class operates in one of the most powerful technology labs in the entire state. It has cutting-edge technology that incorporates 22 different units that students operate and explore. Use a laser to cut materials or learn how to operate a computer-controlled lathe to make a chess set.
Students, they're always active, they're always doing something. It's very hands-on. A lot of the time it's not just computer-related stuff, but it's things like construction. We have a construction unit there where students build a scaled-down version of a house, and they enjoy that. We have wind tunnels. So we have even one section there where they can learn to wire a residential home. And they actually wire the doorbell and the light switches, and they get it all figured out, and it's interesting for them.
Each unit is an introduction to a career that you may be interested in pursuing. Technical Computer Applications is an interesting educational class that helps you become comfortable using computers, computer-operated equipment, and many different types of computer programs.